Madanapalle Institute of Technology and Science has received an overall rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars by students on shiksha.com. How is the BTech program here? Let's find out. Starting with the 4.3 star rated placements. As per the NIRF 2024, in 2023, 568 out of 809 graduates secured placements, giving the institute a placement rate of 70%. Around 3% of the students opted for higher studies. Top recruiters included Accenture, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Wipro, and Apollo Tyres. The top roles offered were associate software engineer, software developer, and front-end developer. The median salary for graduates stands at 4.5 lakh per annum, which has remained the same as the previous year. For comparison, Lucky Reddy Bala Reddy College of Engineering, another engineering college in Andhra Pradesh, is on par with MITS regarding median salary. Moving on now to the academic offerings, where the BTech program is rated 4.3. MITS offers BTech across 11 specializations, including computer science, AI and machine learning, data science, cybersecurity, networks, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics, mechanical, and civil. Admissions are based on EAP-CET exam. For 2023, CSE AIML had a closing rank of 8,525, while civil engineering had a more relaxed closing range of 53,157. The total tuition fee for the 4-year BTech program is 2.7 lakh rupees. MITS also provides scholarships for both private and government-sponsored. Regarding infrastructure, MITS is again rated 4.3 stars. The campus offers a well-equipped library, Wi-Fi, digital library, language and communication skills lab, workshops, seminar halls, yoga center, canteens, and transport facilities. Sports facilities on campus include volleyball courts, a football field, throwball court, handball court, kabaddi courts, kho-kho field, cricket field, badminton court, and a gym. While the campus is well equipped, some students find the infrastructure to be average. Moving on now to the 4.4 star rated faculty and course. Faculty members are highly qualified, with many holding PhDs, and are known for their expertise and approachability. The course curriculum is industry-oriented and designed to provide students with relevant skills. The institute also organizes workshops, seminars, guest lectures, and training programs. In terms of campus life, MITS is also rated 4.4 stars. The institute has over 18 student clubs, including those for sports, yoga and meditation, arts and culture, tech, HR, dance, music, event management, short films, and marketing and finance. Numerous events are held throughout the year, including the Freshers Party, Independence Day celebrations, Diwali and Dasara events, and the annual Techno-Cultural and Sports Fest Ashwa. Finally, MITS is ranked in the 201 to 300 band for engineering in the NIRF 2024 rankings. For more details on Madanapalle Institute of Technology and Science, and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.